Today is the day where we are going to harvest these potatoes. It is 7:35 p.m. Friday, July 17th. All right, she has arrived. We're going to dig up these potatoes and see how big they are. All right. So I think what we should do is we can move the schmag down here for now, because we can pull out these guys too. See, some of them could have gone down a bit longer, but oh look, little potato pulled out with that one. Guys could be good stew potatoes, right? Put them there for now.
And I love that we're being like ceremony.
Oh, that's great. So we'll keep those guys growing. So we'll just take off the main schmag and then we'll dig in the ground and get the rest of the pumpkins. And we can take these rocks out too. Big rocks you find. That was just for me dividing the gardens in the beginning. Yeah, that can stay in. Yeah, that's all what it's all about, just that calcium in the soil. I think we should just take it off.
What should we do?
I think we
Oh,
can.
hi there, buddy. Look at this. Oh, cool. What is this?
I think that's the flower bud of the hollyhocks. Oops. Got some of this cilantro here, so we can use that. I mean, these potatoes here could have gone, some of them could have gone a little longer, but I'm not too worried about it. Cool. Oh, nice. Very cute little ones. Here. And now we just gotta dig into this ground. Dig deep. All into this ground, because there could be potatoes anywhere. Yeah, look at those little ones. There's a little guy. Oh, there's big ones right over here still. Kind of closer to those ones. I love how many little ones. Like, this is how organic potatoes go, you know what I mean? And people look for just these ones to sell. And look at all the little varieties you get. I think that's so cool. Look at all these little guys. Wow, this might take a while to get all these out of here. I put a lot of potatoes.
Good.
Yeah, literally.
Good.
Good, the more potatoes, the better. We gotta dig all around here.
Oh. Ow.
Oh yeah, there's some big ones over here.
It's almost like an Easter egg hunt,
It is.
but instead of Easter eggs, just think about hash browns, mashed potatoes.
Yeah, like turkey dinner. Yeah, that's our harvest so far. And we still have so much more to go. So much more to dig. Just to do some
Forester has to.
it'll help kinda I'll do it gently. Just
Next thing you know.
yeah, probably.
Oops.
Oops, all good.
It's all good.
Yeah, I think that might be all the potatoes around this area here. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, there's some. There they are. Nice ones.
Look at this one.
Oh,
Kind of like a brain or something.
kind of like a brain.
Kind of like a cashew or something.
Yeah. Hooray. We just finished. So from that little garden bed, I can't remember how many seed potatoes we used, but from that we got one full crate and then this crate here. So that's a pretty successful harvest, I would say. About 1.5. We don't have a scale to measure it, but that's all right. It's a lot of potatoes. And there's both russets, and yellow potatoes. All different shapes and sizes. Look at this one. It's so flat. So I think that's awesome. It feels way more satisfying than buying potatoes at the store. That's for sure. Now the goal is to plant some new potatoes in here. Got these seed potatoes that we grew on our own, and yeah, we're gonna grow some patates. Look at that harvest. Chamomile, pink radish flowers, hollyhock flowers. Those are the rose mallow flowers, and then the poppy petals. Potatoes. Brought my seeds out because I just finished the garden now. So I had a few seed potatoes that I had saving up, so I just put them in here and a few over here, and then all in that corner I planted spaghetti squash, patty pan squash. There's some pumpkins already growing there, and I put 2 types of beans in there too. So this is the start. It's being a whole new revamp, this garden bed. It's going to regenerate, and we'll have a whole new garden bed with new plants going into the colder season. Just eating away.
Oh my god, you should have seen the last one that I literally just ate. It was so huge. Like, I'm talking like the ones you almost find at the store. It was
I know,
so
right?
sweet.
Organically
That one
grown.
wasn't that sweet. The one that I had, that, oh,
Yeah, some of them are so sweet.
I still can't get over looking at this rose mallow that we
It's
just
beautiful.
discovered, and like got some secret
Let's check out that
love
sunflower.
affair.
Those are
Yeah,
2 different
see?
types of sunflowers.
No like sunburnt ring around it.
Yeah, it's just a yellow sunflower.
And go look at the other one around it.
The other one here has
It
that,
has this sunburnt ring around
yeah, that pretty sunburnt ring look. This one's really pretty. I love these ones.
And this one has not. Not yet, but if you look at it. Oh, I don't
Wow,
wanna
it's
hurt him,
that
but
one's huge.
See,
Yeah,
just-
he's gonna be a lot taller.
And then that one is.
That one's going.
Starting.
Those guys are down there starting.
Oh,
And then, yeah, this species is a really tiny little one.
he's just so cute.
They're so cute. Could be the location and the being overcrowded too. Who knows?
Totally. All plays a factor. Survival of the fittest.
Survival of the fittest. But we still have more potatoes we're waiting on. These ones are just starting up their flowers. These ones will be the next ones we're going to harvest because they're dying down. And then there's still this one in here. That guy right there. Gorgeous. I love this garden here. This is like a total forest. Anyways, thanks for watching.